I'm Dr. Alison Christy, and I am Director of Pediatric Neurology at Providence Health and Services in Portland, Oregon. I am Editor-in-Chief of the Open Access journal Child Neurology Open, and I am Chair of the History section of the American Academy of Neurology. And I'm going to be talking today about the history of women in medicine. And I'm going to be doing this through the story of Mary Putnam Jacobi, who was I'm going to argue that she was the first pediatric neurologist, the first female neurologist and the first female pediatric neurologist. And this became a clash between Jacobi and Blackwell. So Jacobi had studied under Blackwell and they were working together in the Women's Medical College. And Jacobi wanted to reform the college and make it more scientific and criticized Blackwell, arriving at conclusions and refusing to submit them to tests of verification, and said to Blackwell, "You've always disliked, ignored, and neglected medicine," which is some pretty harsh words for the patron saint of women in medicine.